Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I want to share with you how I repurposed this tea bag organizing box for my masala box. I fell in love with this box when I found it at Homegoods. One, for the price, it was only $6.99, and the other thing is this is BPA free and it works out so well for me. I love the transparent lid that you can see through. It is clear plastic and it is super easy to clean and maintain. This is how I have used it. In the first box here, I have used it for all my South Indian tempering things, and the little tiny spoon also fits in there, and I just love it. And the next box next to it, see, you can see how well the lid fits in there, and it is fully clear. I have used it for all my dessert stuff that I do, all the sweets that I do, the prasadam. I use cashews and almonds and raisins and cardamom powder. And the last one, I have kept all my North Indian spices in there that I use to make North Indian food. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.